everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you different chutney. It's capsicum and tomato chutney, and this is shared by my friend Nandini. Thank you for it. So for capsicum and tomato chutney, ingredients: I've taken barbecue capsicums. You can even do in the pan, just put a little bit oil and just cook it. And I've taken some big chillies and some tomato paste. This is already barbecue tomatoes, and I peeled it and blended to paste. And some green chilies. I already have some chili, but they are not spicy, so I'm going to add some more chilies. And I need some salt. This is pink salt, and some barbecue garlic, and we need some oil. Let's start the recipe. I'm going to put all this into blender jar. I put the garlic and chilies and capsicum and bell pepper, and I'm going to blend this. I'm going to do tempering. Add some oil, 2 to 3 spoons. I'm doing tempering. I've added mustard seeds and jeera, cumin seeds and some curry patta. I'm adding tempering to the chutney. My chutney is ready. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with next recipe. Thank you for watching.